Hey guys, welcome back to Smart Trader. Hope you guys are staying safe and you guys are learning more and more about trading basically. So a lot of people ask me about Nifty. Okay, so regularly in WhatsApp customer care, what is your view on Nifty, and few comments. What is Nifty? Is it overbought, or is it in the peak? Is it going to fall and all that? See, I'll tell you from my experience. I'll tell you what I've seen from these years. Nifty, if you ask me as a trader, yes, I know Nifty has gone up and anytime correction also can take place. It's a common thing. At every stage of Nifty, corrections took place. Okay, it goes up, it comes down, goes up and comes down. So as a trader, if you ask me, corrections can take place. It can go down and again go up. If you ask me as an investor, I would not say this is the peak point, because when it was in 12,000 also, a lot of people ask, is this the peak, the end of Nifty's movement? No. From 12,000, it has already reached now. It's almost today is the highest point, 15,900 levels. About to touch 16,000, which I want to see from my eyes. But from 12,000, they said it's the peak, it's over and all. But after correction, again, it broke and now we are almost reaching 16,000. So investor point of view, I will not say 16,000 is the end, because Nifty has a lot of journey upside. Let's say after 2 years, 3 years, you can see a different numbers in Nifty, different highs. I'm saying, because India is a developing country. Okay. So developing country means we are trying to get more and more progress. We are trying to add more and more things. We are getting things better. Okay. So things, we are opening up to new businesses, digitalization. So always there will be an attempt to make India better. So India is a developing country. So in this development, the graph of the market should be in an 45-degree, whatever the slope. It's going upside, because as and when new good things happen, the markets will grow up. People will get, invest more here and things will go up. Yes, once India is a developed country, the market can become stagnant. That time I can say, okay, it isn't overbought, any correction can happen. Now the upside is less, but we are lucky enough in a developing stage, India in a developing progressive country. Here we can invest in such a way that, let's say in 5 years, 10 years down the line, I'm sure that we can say our kids that I invested when Nifty was 16,000. It's like basically telling when Nifty was 12,000 or 8-9,000. If we would have invested some money, it came to 16,000. So now also it's not too late for an investor point of view. Imagine you're a trader, it goes up and down, you take benefit. But an investor is someone who will invest their money. But remember, there are certain low risk, let's say mutual funds. Okay, very basic thing, mutual fund, where you try to do SIP in every ups and downs. So let's say if a corrections happen here, you will do SIP, you may buy the next month or next week, like that. So based on that, you are buying at every level. So after certain days, if you see any person would have seen their account in recent 1 year, 20%, 30% upside in mutual fund also, because of these things. So on a long run, these will give you benefit, because India is a developing country and progressive. So our markets are not stagnant. It's in a growing stage. Definitely there is an opportunity. People who invested now make some money, or after 5 years, 10 years, you can tell the story to your kids or grandchildren and all those. So that was just a glimpse on my experience and my thought. Okay, you may have a different experience or a different thought. I'm not objecting that, but I'm just sharing my view. Okay, today Nifty opened gap up, beautiful new highs, and then it stayed sideways, couldn't go above or stay above this 15,900, and then some profit booking taking place. Almost most of the stocks will have those advantage or disadvantage basically. So my two stocks for the list is Dabur and Asian Paint. Now if you ask me, Dabur and Asian Paint, fundamentally they are very good stock, not to worry. But if you're planning to hold the stock and all those, remember I'm giving this for scalping. These stocks are, if you look at their book value, they are currently overpriced, because obviously the market is in the peak in trader wise. When trading point of view, market is in the peak, corrections can take place. Same way, these stocks are also above their book value, and a correction can take place in these type of stocks. So in that way, long term they are good, short term corrections can take place. But scalping, yes, definitely we can do, because we saw a lot of buying happening in an hourly basis. If you see, the stock is in bullish trend and a lot of buyers are coming in both of these stocks. When this stock had a good push, Asian Paints, then some profit booking taking place end of the day. So I just gave you overview for long term also what these stocks are. They're beautiful. Just that for short term, corrections can take place. Market is in the peak. Stock is also more than their book value, current prices. Okay. For scalping, what are my levels? Scalping levels will be 576 is my immediate resistance, on which it has stuck right now. Going to break that, depends tomorrow what the market is, what the stock is. For an intraday trader, we cannot say tomorrow it's going to be green or red. Wherever the stock is, you should know where to scalp and take advantage. If the stock is not moving, not in our levels, like I told, don't take a ticket for a train which has already left. So leave it. Resistance of 581, 586 and 592 are my levels, and support levels would be 570 levels and 565 levels, immediate levels. For Asian Paint, stock can be a little bit more stable. Okay, just because today it went up like this doesn't mean tomorrow it can go like this also. So keep it in mind. So immediate, it is closed around 3035 in the chart. So 3038 is my resistance, 3050, 3065, 3079 levels, 78 levels basically. Support is going to be 3025 levels. So this is Asian Paint for you for scalping, and this is Dabur. So keep in mind, these two are fundamentally good stocks, but current prices for trading, short-term trading, these are overpriced from their book value. For scalping, as they are in bullish, I am giving it in different levels. Scalping means what? Wherever it stays, we try to take advantage within these levels. Okay. So holding perspective, not impressed, because I cannot say if market is breaking and going up and up, definitely stocks will have the potential. Investors will come in, they will buy, because long term they are good stocks, but short term corrections can happen. So holding, if you're holding, if the stock is going against you, be very careful. If you're buying CNC with your own money, if it's going and then correction is happening, then you don't have to worry. But when you're taking margin and holding, that's when you have to worry. So keep this in mind. So keep learning. That's the main secret. I am learning from so many years, and I keep learning, and I will be learning. So that is the secret. So if you want, you can also try it out. So thank you so much for watching. See you soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.